You are all quite well on the blessings of Almighty God. Today, this is the class of standard 6, subject history, chapter 9, topic page 88 to 89. Today's topic is life types in towns and villages. This age in age of science and technology. But this technology and science have been found more than 3,000 years ago. Though at that very moment our technology was not so much important, but before the use of iron, copper and many metals, we are not so much prosperous. When the Indians came to India, they tended the cows, sheep, buffaloes, but in course of time, the life standard became changed. We are now discuss about the lifestyles in towns and villages. Iron and copper is used as weapons and tools. They are used for making tools and weapons. Iron is used in India about 3,000 years ago. And this is megalithic burials. Large collection of iron tools and weapons have been found in megalithic burials in central and southern India. Central and southern India found iron tools have been found in the megalithic burials. In Central and Southern India, it is used mainly excess and plaster. As soon as the agricultural development, the economic progress began, the people of the village divided into 3 groups. This is the general source. When you will be grown up in later in future classes, you will know that according to development of the agriculture, industry and technology, each and every nation as well as the country will be developed. It is unthinkable for us to think the big industry, modern technology, spacecrafts and research centers have been established in 21st century. It is about 5,000 years ago. During the Harappa and Mongol civilizations, the people are not so much foolish. They are too much intelligent. The people used iron, copper, and many other materials. As the growth of the agricultural production, the growth or ratio of economic development. At that time, the civilization began to grow and the lifestyles of the village and the town is ultimately changed. As soon as the rapid use of iron, there was a radical change in the society. X is used to clean is used to till the ground and make the cornfield fertile. This is a great vertical change in the field of agriculture as well as the economic field. So, ultimately, the lifestyle of the society, lifestyle of the village, lifestyle of the town have changed. The people in the village live in different places, in different groups. It is found in Tamil Nadu, and the village were formed by the river side. And gradually this village turned into a town or city. In the southern part of the subcontinent, a typical village was located in the Tamil region. Here many rich and prosperous people live here. They owned large number of lands, number of farmlands. They are the landowners who were called Bhela. At the time, the people who were rich, they acquired a large number of property. They are the landed property, and they are called Bhela. The poor, they are the landowners, and they are called Bhela. The poor farmers with some land to plow and fulfill their needs are called Ujaha. They were rich and they acquired a large number of lands, and the people who were few lands or some lands, they live with somehow, and they are called Ujaha. And the landless farmers, including the slaves, are known as Kalashiyas and Edima. The northern part of the subcontinent, the typical village, had village headland. Northern part में हमारे इलाके northern part तक तो village headland. The village headland was called Gramo Bhojapa. This position are hereditary. Gram Bhojapa was hereditary position. It was generally accepted from the male members of the family would take up the position of generation after generation. The Bhojapa position is hereditary position and it came generation to generation on the male members. Usually, the landowners with the largest land area was made this Gramo Bhojapa. He could hire laborers or farmers to till the land, to till the field. He could also keep slaves to cultivate the vast land. The Gramo Bhojapa had a powerful position. He had some slaves to till the agricultural field. They had the high position, and he was appointed by the king to collect taxes from the villagers in case of crime. Gram Bhojapa was appointed by the government, by the king. His duty was to collect tax, and he was the keeper of peace of the village, of the locality. His duties included villages, resolving village conflicts and serving discipline keeper. আমরা বর্তমানে চৌকিদারের মতো বা তারও উঁচু পোস্টে প্রধান বা এই সমস্ত পোস্টগুলো দেখি। যে সমস্ত মানুষ বাস করে তাদের দায়িত্ব হচ্ছে গ্রামের শান্তি রক্ষা করা, ট্যাক্স আদায় করা। Independent farmers who own smaller places of land, then the Gram Bhojapa are called গৃহপতি। যে সমস্ত ফার্মারগুলো স্বাধীনভাবে বাস করে তাদের বলা গৃহপতি। The landless laborers on the farmers who earn their living by working on other people's land or they are called Daso Karmakara. These endless labors included both men and women. The village had many craftsmen like weaver, carpenters, potters, blacksmiths, etc. তাহলে আমরা কি দেখতে পেলাম? The people of the village live peacefully, but there are many types of people in the village. Craftsmen, potter, carpenters, weavers, and blacksmiths. This is the lifestyle of the village. This is the lifestyle of the village. Next, come to the life of the city. According to scholars and archaeologists, the period of the first urbanization in the India began during the Harappan period with the arrival of the Aryans from the Central Asia. ভারতীয় সভ্যতা আর্যদের আসার সাথে সাথে মধ্য এশিয়ায় ভারতীয় সভ্যতা সংস্কৃতি সহ গড়ে ওঠে। In about 1500 BC, this phase of urbanization came to an end. The Aryans destroyed the well-developed urban settlements of the Harappan, which had not rise up again so nearly as a millennium. পরবর্তী 1000 বছরে যে হরপ্পা সভ্যতা আর্যরা ভেঙে দিয়েছিল সেই সভ্যতা আর কখনো গড়ে উঠতে পারেনি। Gradually, small towns and cities began to come up during the time of Buddha in the 16th century BC and 4th century BC or the period of second urbanization of the Indian subcontinent. 16th century to 14th century BC, the second urbanization started during the period of Buddhist. This period saw immense prosperity, development in towns like Pataliputra, Rajagriha, Vaishali, Kapilavastu, Ajodhya, Savasti, and Kosambi. In 16th century BC to 4th century BC, we find many prosperous cities or towns. They are Vaishali, Rajagriha, Pataliputra, Kapilavastu, Ajodhya, Savasti, এবং Kosambi. With monasteries, temple, fortifications, well-mentioned roads and streets, luxurious settings of elegant houses for our families, etc. Every town and city was the track of the remarkable development. Every cities and towns have been developed in remarkable position. The towns are small in area and employers expanded, the size and importance of the town increased. Many of the towns gained importance and centers of activities and centers of cultures. Became important centers of power. They are chosen by capital as kingdom. On the other hand, craftsmen, different categories came to settle down. Thus, as the time passed, center of trade, art, craft, and administration came up in towns such as Ujjaini, Bhigopucha, Patna, Bharat in Gujarat, Pratisthana, Poitan, Baba, Tamrutha, West Bengal, Champa, and Kushinagar in Uttar Pradesh. Weaving and dyeing clothes became major profession of the age. The art of weaving and dyeing developed. The development of art weaving brought novelty and variety of the weavers' crafts. Different types of clothes are made from wool, silk, and cotton. These are the very important in later life. The European traders and merchants came for India for their trade and commerce. In course of time, Gandhara come to be known for its high quality of woolen cloth, Varanasi became famous for its silk weavers. Gandhar and Varanasi, Dhaka, these are the well-known places for woolen clothes and leathers and so much things. Siddheswar gained importance as a center of cotton cloth. The people, commoners as well as the royalty were all fond of wearing jewelry. Many of goldsmiths as craftsmen are engaged in making ornaments and ivory, diamond, gems, silver and gold. The other craftsmen are also found: potters, carpenters, blacksmiths. Many people also found by the occupation of priesthood, magicians and woodsmen etc. তাহলে আমরা village and towns life, it is thrives in the use of iron and copper, and the cities were formed during the era of Aryan, Harappan and Mohenjo-daro, that is called Indus civilizations, was destroyed, and it was so much powerful in Indian history, not only in India but in the whole world. But in course of time, the Aryans came from Central Asia and settled down there to live here, and the new cities like Pataliputra, Ujjaini, Vaishali, Ajodhya, Kosambi, Tamilnadu was formed. Namaskar.